Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Corolla cabin air filter step by step. First, sit comfortably and make sure the car is off and the parking brake is set. Then open the glove box and lower it fully. Remove any stops or clips holding the glove box in place so you can see the filter housing cover. Keep parts in a small tray and note orientation of the old filter for proper replacement. With the housing cover removed, take a deep breath and work slowly to avoid spreading dust. Carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out while holding a towel beneath to catch loose debris. Inspect the filter to note the airflow arrow direction and any heavy buildup that suggests more frequent changes are needed. Dispose of the dirty filter responsibly and wipe the housing interior with a dry cloth to clear out dust and leaves before installing the new filter. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, please subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a simple, fun refresh while you work on filters. Check the description below for the link and other deals, and consider popping one into your glove box for instant freshness. Now let's get back to the video. Now take your new cabin air filter and confirm the airflow arrow points toward the cabin, then gently insert it into the housing so it sits flat and even. Reinstall the housing cover and listen for the clips to snap into place so nothing rattles later. Return the glove box stops and any removed screws, then close the glove box and test the HVAC system on fan mode to ensure fresh airflow and no odd noises after installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.